We live! Hey, ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina Wright here, and I'm just sitting here at the juice bar waiting on some plumbers to come or whatever. But I want to just come through really quick to let you guys know it's May 1st. It's May 1st, and May is Money Month. All right, May is definitely Money Month. You know why? Because the kids get out of school in May. We have to now we got to feed them 3 times a day. We got to take them to the pool every day. We got to take them on a trip, on a vacation, right? We got to make sure they have them some good summer clothes, right? We got to make sure we have them some good back to school stuff come August, right? So I call May Money Month. I call May Money Month because this is a time where you have to do everything for your kids and get ready for the summertime, right? So like and share this video if you know somebody that wants to get them some money, that needs to get them some money, who wants to take a vacation and not drive, right? When I was growing up, my dad used to drive every damn where. We would go to New York. We would go to Kentucky. We would go to Dayton, Ohio. We would go to Florida. He had his best friend named Shane that lived in Dayton, Florida. We would drive to Florida. We would go to Busch Gardens. We would go to Mississippi. We would drive all over the country. My dad even said that he wanted to get an RV and actually drive to California, guys. Like he drove all the time. And so when I got older, I said, no ma'am. I want to fly, baby, because I don't got time for this driving. My dad wanted to stop and see all kind of sightseeing stuff. And his philosophy is you can't see nothing in the air. Fuck that. Excuse my French. Forget that. I want to fly, right? But the fact of the matter is, now that I'm grown, my dad had 3 children and a wife, and they were relatively young, right? So he did not want to spend money. He had some limiting beliefs about money that he did not want to take his whole entire family and get on a plane. They got to pay for a hotel room. Then got to feed all 3 of his children and his wife, because my mother did not work. So that was a bit much, right? But it wasn't, he was taught that he had to go get a job, become a brick mason like he did, and go to work. So he just felt like all those 5-10-hour days out laying bricks, you were not going to spend his money, get on a plane, right? He just thought it was just absurd to get on a plane after earning his hard-earned money. It taking him hours out of days, hurting his back, to earn money. So with that being said, it's Money Month, guys. It is Money Month because now is the time that you get to take your kids on trip, and you don't have to let it be a trip because you got a cousin there. Y'all can sleep in her basement or the guest room. No, you want to make you some money in Money Month so that you can take your kids on a proper vacation. So you can get them a proper back to school clothes and shoes. You can get them a proper summer break, right? Where they can have some fun and stuff like that, right? So, guys, if you're looking for a way to earn some additional income, I have an opportunity for you that you can earn 100% commission. So, if you need an extra $2,000 a month, you just need to sign 20 people up in a month, and that's $2,000. If you want to make $30,000 a month, then you just need to sign 30 people up. If you need to make $40,000 a month, you just need to sign 40 people up. So I have the blueprint for you. I'm gonna give you copy and paste things to put on your social media. I'm going to give you topics to put on your YouTube. If you're going to be making YouTube videos, I'm gonna give you a blueprint on how to build your business online so you can have fun with your kids this summer. All right, guys? And so my guy here at Magnificent Smoothies. So let me just go and check on my guy here. Hey. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Bien? You don't know the code. Oh, de nada. There we go. Got it. So inside now. Cut the lights on. The juice bar coming though, y'all. Best believe that. It's coming. This our plumber. Hey. All right, guys, so I got work to do. Let me get off this phone, but I just wanted to share with you guys that it's money month. So get in my inbox. Let me show you how you can earn $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 per month, right, by simply using this system. All right, if you want to earn $22,000 for the month, you need 20 people. If you want to do $3,000 a month, you need 30 people. If you need $1,000 a month, that's 10 people, guys. So I'm gonna break it all down to you once you get in. Right now, it's still $20. They haven't changed the price yet. So if I were you, I would go ahead and get in my inbox to get this $20 opportunity before it goes back up to $100, guys. All right. So I will see you guys on the inside.
Oh, it's on.
All right. Bye-bye, guys.